Hello friends, my name is Ansu and you most welcome on your own YouTube channel Quick Growth and Happiness. My dear friends, today we will discuss about a topic which is on the base of the daily routine, that how to make daily routine to be more and more energetic, efficient from body and mind. My dear friends, I made this topic, I chose this topic so that I could help others to make their day better and in their night in a better, in a perfect way. So my dear friends, definitely it is on the base of my experience. I did this, I present this in my life, and definitely there came a positive changement in my life. My dear friends, first of all, what is daily routine, a daily based routine? So friends, first of all, we will start with our sleeping mode. Dear friends, definitely some of us or so many of us wake up early in the morning and some of us not. And definitely this is the time of winter, so in a winter everybody does not like to wake up early in the morning. So my dear friends, first of all, we will have to be make sure that we have to wake up early in the morning at 5 o'clock. My dear friends, if you wake up early in the morning, definitely you can, with the freshness of morning, you can do a lot of works. So my dear friends, after waking up early in the morning, first of all, you will have to do that. You have to complete your nature's call, and then you will have to take out almost 30 minutes to give your exercise, to do the exercise for your body. What is that, friends? My dear friends, just ask this question to any successful person, how to make their daily routine. All of them, almost every person has suggested this thing in their life, and definitely they have also done this thing in their life, and they have tried to make positive changes. So my dear friends, at least not more, but out of 24 hours of your life, just take out 30 minutes and do a physical workout, physical exercise, so that your body could be healthy and you could give a maximum time upon your body by your work and by your another ways. My dear friends, today second number, in today's life, definitely it has become more and more important. So my dear friends, number two comes that uh, definitely when we wake up early in the morning, we see something new, we wake up with a fresh mind, and definitely in that moment, when we take the help of any positive things like positive audios, videos, with the help of mobile, with the help of books, if we'll see positive things, if we learn, if we do that, then definitely our mind goes in a positive way for a whole 24 hours. This is number two. And my dear friends, the number three comes that number three, definitely if we have a time, then absolutely we should take out at least 5 to 10 minutes to do our meditation, to do our yoga, like yoga, you can say yoga or meditation. In this way, you have to do a one thing, that you have to make concentration yourself, your mind on a one positive thing, and you will have to give your concentration for at least 10 minutes on that topic, or about that subject, what you imagine in your mind, to be separate in a peaceful place where definitely there could come the natural sound like birds chewing or something else. So that will help you to make mean more and more efficient and cool mind for your whole 24 hours. Yes friends. And definitely next is come number four is come that you have to give your absolutely, mean, if you are doing a study, you are a student, or you are doing any job, you are a serviceman, so you will have to take out at least minimum 1 hour early in the morning. In that one hour, if you give your time for doing your study, either you are learning something, as you are, if you are a student, so definitely you can do your study, you can revision all the whole things what you read before or previous day. So you can do your revision in that time, and definitely you can make cover all those things, and quickly you can learn about all those things. So at least you will give your focus on your study for a 1 hour time, and you will try to give your focus, then definitely that will be like save as a save file of your mind, that will be save in your mind. All right. So dear friends, you will have to give your focus to learn something, to know something new, with the help of your study books or with the help of any motivational or inspirational books. And definitely I will recommend the books, popular books of if I talk about motivational books, so definitely I will do this recommend, that mean just take the help of Steve Kheras or Dale Carnegie's or Robert Kiyosaki. So these kinds writers books are very effective to make positive changements in your life. So my dear friends, there are a lot of books. You can take the help of that, and you can read that, and definitely that will be much helpful for you and for your whole career once you get into habit of doing these works. So definitely you can definitely it can be more and more helpful for your whole future, and never you will be tired or unfulfilled by your body, by your physical efficiency, or by your brain efficiency. All right. And definitely if you are doing your job or you are going to take your classes, coaching, so after that you after taking some breakfast, and you can do your whole work of daily routine life. And yes, absolutely, at early in the at afternoon or at evening time, you will have to follow a few things for making perfect your body by your definitely by your diets. And you will have to follow the rules of diets, with the help of which you could make proper efficient for your body, and you could be able to think. Because my dear friends, I want to share a story that it's not a story, it's a reality, that if a person who thinks more, a person who does not give their maximum time on their physical workout, physical body, definitely their thinking, their efficiency of mind and body become less than another people who follows those things. And definitely in that way you become some stressful weight from your body. So it's very important for our life. So my dear friends, I hope you will follow this thing, and these are few rules, a few tricks, few ways to make better our life, make better start better our full day, and make positive changes in our life. So it's my experience. I do this early in the morning, and definitely I get positive results. So you will have to do just these few things, and you can make whole day better for your daily routine. And you can do your another works if you are doing a study, so you can do that in a better way. If you are doing jobs, you can give your maximum time upon that, and you can make creative ideas if your mind is fresh and free. So that's it for today. I hope you would like this video, and if you like this, then please subscribe this video, subscribe my channel, click on a bell icon, and definitely share this video to your friends and in your friend circles, so that you could get more and more instructions for further. So that's it for today. Thank you very much.